In this video, we'll learn how to get zero ping in Fortnite. In order to get zero ping in Fortnite or low ping, you need to tweak a few settings in Fortnite and Windows. So getting zero ping in Fortnite is not physically possible if you do not live on that server, but getting low ping is certainly possible. In order to do that, firstly we will go to our profile section from the top right hand side of our screen, then click on the gear button. Then we need to go to the game tab from the top hand side of your screen. Under language and region, we will find the matchmaking region. We need to set it to the lowest possible ping that is being offered. So mine is Middle East, which is offering 83 ping, which I will select and hit apply. After changing that setting, make sure that your network and internet is connected to the Ethernet rather than Wi-Fi, because using Ethernet disables a lot of network throttling and lets you have a smooth experience at the lowest latency and without any issues. After changing that setting, we will head to our search panel of Windows. From here, type Control Panel. Now click on Open. Go to Network and Internet. Go to Network and Sharing Center. From here, we need to select Change Adapter Settings. Now we need to right click on our Ethernet connection and go to Properties. From here, we need to go to Configure. Then we need to head to the Power Management. Make sure that both of these are ticked off. Then go to Advanced. Make sure that Advanced EEE is off, Energy Efficient Ethernet is turned off, Gigabyte Light is disabled, Green Ethernet is disabled. Now we'll scroll down. From here, we need to make sure that Power Saving Mode is disabled. The Wake On features should also be disabled, and the Wake On LAN and Shutdown Link Speed should be not speed down, and the Speed and Duplex should be the highest your PC can offer. After that, press OK and get back. So by changing these settings, you can enjoy the lowest possible ping from your region to the game server and enjoy a optimized gameplay experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.